Okay, let's solve this calculus question where we have to integrate a function here, which is x multiplied with root of x minus 1 dx, and the upper limit is 2, lower limit is 1. So there may be many methods to solve this, like standard functions where we can directly calculate, but I think what I'm gonna explain is one of the easiest way to solve this question, which is, so the given function is this. I want to remove this square root. How can we remove the square root? We can remove a square root when the number or yeah, whatever the number in the under the square root is a square, then we can remove that square root. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to consider x minus 1 as t square. What is t? I don't know what's t. I'm considering it as a random number where x minus 1 is always equals to t square. So I can differentiate on both sides with respect to t, which is dx over dt, that's 2t, and I can write it as dx equals 2t dt. If x minus 1 is t square, what's x? That's t square plus 1. So I'm going to change the entire initial equation, which is this. I'm going to change this as, what's x? T square plus 1. What's root of x minus 1? That's root of t square. And dx is nothing but 2t dt. That's pretty simple as of right now. And we can write it as t square plus 1, and root of t square is t, and 2t dt, which is nothing but t square plus 1 multiplied with 2t square dt, and this is 2t power 4 plus 2t square dt. You know the integration, I mean this is a straightforward uh, polynomial, so what we can write it as 2 multiplied with t power 5 over 5, 2 multiplied with t cube over 3. This is our integration. Right now from here you can solve it as I mean you can change the upper limit and lower limit in the terms of t, or else there is another method. We know from this t minus 1 is equals to t square. T is nothing but root of x minus 1. So just substitute this in our final equation, which is nothing but 2 power 5. T is nothing but root over x minus 1, 2 over 3, and again x minus 1 whole cube. We know the upper limit and lower limit of the function with respect to x, which is nothing but 2 and 1. Just substitute the values. The upper value is 2 minus 1, the lower value is 1. If you substitute 1, it will be 0. The ultimate answer will be 2 over 5. 2 minus 1 is 1, root of 1 is 1, so this entire thing is 1, and again this entire thing is also 1. So the ultimate answer will be 2 over 5 plus 2 over 3, which is nothing but 6 plus 10 over 15, which is 16 over 15. That's it. That's one of the easiest ways to solve this question.